Is this housing market starting to keep you awake? Don't lie to me. I know it is, because it's keeping me awake every single night. Let's get to it. Hey everybody, it's Eric, your real estate advisor out here in Las Vegas. I'm talking about everything dealing with housing, Las Vegas, and a little bit of advice on life. And if you're loving what you're hearing, see that little subscribe button? Hit it for me. Hook a brother up. And of course, like and comment. Let's let that YouTube algorithm ride me to the top, if you could just do me that favor. So this week, I don't have good news for you. Once in a while, you got everybody trying to be all upbeat about stuff. I got some bad news, and I actually recorded a video, and I have to re-record it because news got worse. And somebody's probably going to beat me to the punch before you get to see this video, if you're really out there looking at what's going on. But it just kept getting worse, and I just have to keep postponing it and postponing it. And it's like, what more can drop in this market? It's not like the stock market's dropping like crazy, but here's the news. My video that I originally recorded was about the possibility of interest rates going up. The possibility. So I had it was done. It was kind of in the can. It was raw. It had to be edited. Then I got on a call with kind of like a mastermind I have, and had some gurus on there. One of them was a mortgage guru. And he would announce that, oh no, it wasn't a possibility. Interest rates are going up. It's like, oh. I told him about my video. It's like, yeah, you need to recut that, because it's not a possibility. It's going up. They're already starting to prepare for it at his firm. So these are some of the things you need to keep in mind. So the mortgage interest rates, they're tied to the 10-year treasury yields. The treasury yields are going up, and that's what's driving this. And they're expecting to go up about half a point. So whatever you're paying now, right now, as of this recording, it's about 2.81% is the average. So they're expecting to go up half a point from that. So at about a $300,000 house, payment's going to be a little bit about $80 more per month. So if you're buying a $300,000 house, expect to be paying about an extra $80 a month or so pretty soon if you don't lock that thing in. So that's the bad news. In a way, take lemons, squeeze it out, make some lemonade, because let me be honest, housing market was bad to begin with. And I mean bad as in over. In the spring market, things were bad enough. Multiple offers, everything else, everyone's scrambling to get a house. Guess what? We're doing this now. This is the winter market. This is when we're supposed to be chilled out. Here in Las Vegas, market's normal. It's year round. It's not like, in the Midwest where it's shut down for 4 months out of the year. No houses are being sold. Real estate agents go to Florida. No. It's year round here. But, we have our busy season. No, right now everything's busy and nuts. I hope it doesn't get nuts in the spring, because we can't take any more. So maybe with interest rates going up, things will get better, but I don't know. Because see, here's where it keeps getting worse. So I go out with a buyer today. House, first day on the market, came on the market this afternoon. Think we're going to get in there, get this house. Go in and make a good offer. House has been on the market. I'm looking at my clock here on my computer. House hasn't even been on the market. I'm recording this. It's like 8 p.m. House hasn't even been on the market 8-9 hours. 8 offers.
Wow!
Most of them at or above list price. Oh, and list price is actually overpriced. I don't know. It's crazy. It's nuts. It's nuts. It's nuts. I don't know what to do about it. I can't do anything about it. I don't control it. Now, again, this house is prime.
Ooh!
Beautiful. Gorgeous. Now, people with regular houses who overprice, y'all in trouble again. You see, here's the thing. I keep saying this. Everyone goes, oh, my neighbor listed for 300. I'm going to list for 305, 310, 315. That's great when your house is prime. It's not even really fine, but you know what I'm saying. You got a regular house. Like, I'm closing next week on a house. The house is on the market for a few months. The owner overpriced, thinking this crap. Then they started going like, oh, no one's buying my house, so they lower it. So we go in and offer, and my buyer going in, like, looking at places, and there was like, well, should we offer more? I was like, no, not on this place. And it was a great house in a good neighborhood, but they overpriced it. So go in there. So we offer less, like 15 less than it was. Remember, the price has already been reduced. Still didn't appraise. Owner comes in trying to say, hey, can we meet in the middle thing? I'm like, this house has been on the market a few months. Nah. And we get it at the appraised price. If they had put that house on the market at what it was actually worth, by the way, the appraised price is what the agent originally told them it was worth, they probably would have gotten more for it in multiple offers and had someone waive the appraisal because they would have wanted it. So, their mistake. Don't overprice your house unless it's prime. Tip number 1. Okay, so getting back to the show. So here, he actually says some things that he said I need to put up in this video for y'all. Just because you have a pre-approval and you're out there looking at houses, your pre-approval may not be so great anymore, because that pre-approval is based on a certain DTI. Your DTI has changed, and you may not know it. Your rate lock, you may not have locked it in because your lender was doing you a favor, because by locking it in too early, it costs you more money. See, the longer it locks out, they lock it, the more money it costs you. So to help you out, they were locking it in closer because interest rates weren't changing. Well, they're about to shoot up. So that not locking you in may cost you, and your DTI may change, and you may no longer qualify for that house that you may be in contract for right now. Didn't think about that one, huh? Neither did I. He's already starting to run into this where they're starting to rerun numbers and stuff. So this is some serious stuff that people hadn't thought about. Because it may just seem like $82 is a little bit of money. It may add up, especially if you're like maximizing what you could get. Oh, I can get $400,000. I'm going to spend $400,000. You may not be able to do that anymore. So keep that in mind. Keep yourself safe and have your lender rerun that now. Even if you are in contract, rerun that unless you have been completely locked in on your interest rate. And if you can, lock your interest rates now. Hopefully this is going to make things better with interest rates going up. Maybe it'll slow down the market. And I hope my fear of the worst won't happen where it does the reverse. People are going to go like, what if it goes up even more? And then they start rushing in even harder, driving up prices even more. You know, here in the Las Vegas area, we're up to 345 on the for the average price of a house. That is the highest price in history for the Las Vegas area. I think we actually now beat the nation. I think nationwide we're at 340. We're at 345 in Las Vegas. So the era of people calling me up, going like, I want one of those cheap Las Vegas houses. I want a $50,000 house. Stop calling me asking that question. They don't exist. Nothing exists for $50,000 anymore. Not somebody nailed two pieces of wood together. That don't exist. Okay. So anyway, I want y'all to look at this video I got coming up here because it's got some great information for you. I want you to hit that subscribe button because, come on, help me out.